There's a beautiful stillness in Brunei, and it all stems from its abundance of nature. It's a diverse paradise to capture exotic wildlife in a preserved habitat that's irresistible from every angle. I love that wherever I look, whether it's out across some of the oldest rainforests in the world, or deep below in the underworld majesty, full of vibrant and vivid colors, this place has an enchanting effect on me that I'll always find peace in and a desire to return. Brunei, a kingdom of unexpected treasure. Every dawn, an ageless beauty awakens in Brunei. It unlocks this captivating mix of rich traditions and ancient values. But what's most appealing is a welcoming culture that stands as a living legacy, full of timeless wonders which constantly enlighten my senses with a never-ending embrace that's always guaranteed to surprise.